Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to update Dataverse record through the Postman. So to update the Dataverse record, we will using the patch request in our last session. Okay, if you remember, in this video, we have done the get request, we done the app registration in the Azure, and we also successfully able to do the authentication as well. So if you not watch this video, I will recommend you to watch this video, and then we will do the update request. Okay, the same thing I just mentioned here. For more information, the blog description is attached in the comment box as well as in the description, so you can go through it. So what we are doing in this video, okay, so we have this contact, okay, gym. So we are trying to update any feed, okay, like email address, business, postman. So let's go to so friends, we are in the postman. So you can see, if you not watch my last video, I personally recommend you to go and watch that video, because without that you cannot understand. Okay, so we have Dataverse API collection. Okay, in last video we done the authorization, how to set up this. I explain you. Okay, so in this, let's we do one get request here, and we are fetching the same contact that I just displaying you on our CRM. Okay, so we are getting nothing. Okay, so let's we change the email ID at the rate gmail.com, and let's do one more request here. So now we are getting the record. If you want to update any table record like contact, account, or anything, so we need the logical name. Okay, so let's take this logical name. Let's create one new request. Okay, called as patch. So patch is basically used to update and record. So we are using here patch. So for the patch as well, we followed the same things. Okay, for the authorization in the patch, what additional thing we will do, we will pass here contacts. Okay, for the get, we are passing here some query. Okay, like select, filter. For the update purpose, we have to pass here GUID of that table. Okay, so how we will get the GUID? Okay, so here in the get request you can find out, also in the URL also you can find out. So if I go in the authorization request, so here you can find out the contact ID. So this is the primary key. So by using this we are updating the record. Let's go to the patch update record, and in the contact we are passing that. So now in the headers we are doing this patch request, right? So we have to pass the body as well. So first we will write the body, then I will come to the headers. Okay, so whichever feed if you want to update. So in this case I want to update the email address. So we will take that feed name. Okay, email address, logical name you have to take. Okay, and here I will use my actual email address. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me on this email as well. Okay, and then the body we taken raw and format is JSON. Now let's go to the headers. In the headers, you have to pass the if match is star. Okay, what does mean? If it is matching, in that case only update the record. If you not pass this parameter, so it can create the new record as well. So be aware. OData max version 4.0, OData version 4.1, 0, you have to pass. These three are the important. Okay, accept encoding, you can pass it, okay, and also the content type application JSON. So these are the mandatory headers. If you find out in the blocks as well, I mention it appropriately, so you can find out there. So we pass the body as well as header. Let's send the request now. So we are sending the request, and what output we are getting? Okay, request timeout. I guess we need to go to authorization and generate the token one more time. So we just generated token as well. Let's send the request. So we successfully able to send a request, and we are getting the response as 200 for no content. Okay, so this response we are sending from the Postman, you will get it. So now let's I go to the one more time dynamic CRM, or you can do the get request from here as well. Okay, to see our record is updated or not. So first let's do the get request, and then we will jump to the CRM here. Okay. So email ID, I will change my accurate email ID instead of 123 553, and let's do it here because I need to do one more time authorization for Git. Okay, let's do it here. Email address. So friends, in the CRM, you can see our record is updated jravindra553 at the rate gmail.com. So if you want to see who this record is updated, okay, so whichever account we register in the Azure, okay, so that account's credentials will be used, okay, for the upgradation of this account, okay. So in the modified by, you can find out. So friends, you can see it is modified by our Power Pages account, okay. That is our app registration that we done, okay. So by using that account, this record is modified. So friends, if you have any questions